Hi, I'm Acad from Acad Systems. To create a floor, define its boundaries by picking walls or sketching its profile with drawing tools. Go to Architecture tab and click Floor. In the Properties palette, you have to choose the type of the floor that you want. Let's say generic 12-inch. In the Draw palette, you have to choose Pick Walls and pick all the exterior walls. In case you need to create more than one type of floor, create a loop here by picking this wall, trim this line to make it close properly. You have to split this element and trim and click Finish. For the second type of floor, go to Architecture and Floor and choose another type of floor. Create the boundary by pick walls. Next, trim all the lines so that the boundary line closed properly. Go to Trim, now you already created two types of floor. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.